Greetings, incredible LTDE 5306 students. Welcome to Module Week 3 of Technology Planning and Administration. In this module, you will have the opportunity to apply your learning in relation to effective technology integration through the lens of the TPACK and SAMR models. You will complete the process of designing a presentation to stakeholders within your organization, persuading them of the importance of utilizing these frameworks within an instructional design context. Ultimately, this week, you will create a digitally based presentation sharing your research-based insights through visuals and narration. Before beginning this week's assignments, please carefully review the articles and web pages as well as the videos available this week for you. Let's now look at this week's assignment, which we began discussing last week. You created a script in preparation to complete your presentation on the TPACK and SAMR models this week. For this assignment, you will utilize a narrated PowerPoint presentation, narrated Google Slides presentation, narrated Prezi, narrated Powtoon, or another tool capable of creating a presentation with audio and visual elements to create a presentation that is at least 3 minutes in length. You should post your video to YouTube and submit the YouTube link to the assignment submission area. The text and narration components of your presentation should be developed in a professional style, and of course, your references should be cited in APA format. Last week, you designed a script for your presentation, and of course, the intended audience was stakeholders within your organization. As mentioned in last week's video, this can be your current professional setting or your future intended professional setting. You may have audience members who are in educational settings, in corporate settings, government agencies, nonprofit organizations. Whatever the case may be, this should be applicable, again, to either your current or intended future professional settings. An example has been included for you to consider as you create your own presentation. And if your presentation tool does not have built-in narration options that will allow you to create the content in audio format, such as Prezi, you may create the visual elements of the presentation and then use ScreenPal, which was formerly Screencast-O-Matic, or another screencasting tool to incorporate narration. If you have never used ScreenPal before, you can click here to view the Beginner's Guide to ScreenPal's free screen recorder. Your presentation should include these elements: an overview of the TPACK model, an overview of the SAMR model, a description of how these models are related to one another, and a description of how these models can be effectively incorporated within your professional setting to enhance instructional design endeavors. Again, if you are not already working as an instructional designer, this may certainly be your future intended professional setting. Again, your video should be 3 minutes in length and include a list of references that are cited in APA format. As you complete your video, you will want to post it to YouTube. In the event that you have not previously uploaded a video to YouTube, please view this brief tutorial. Please be certain that as you are posting to YouTube, you select Public under Visibility Settings in order that others will be able to view your video. As with any assignment in the course, it is incredibly important that you carefully review the rubric before beginning this assignment. This will help you to begin with the end in mind and to create a presentation that meets every element of the rubric with excellence. As you are submitting this assignment, you will select the web URL option and you will submit a link to your video in YouTube. In our next video, we will discuss developing as an instructional leader through cultivating a professional learning network. I hope you sincerely enjoy the opportunity to create a video on TPACK and SAMR in action that will ultimately impact your organization in positive ways as stakeholders within the organization have the opportunity to view your video. God bless you all and enjoy a wonderful week ahead.